Well, you can guess it. Just walk down through a gorge to have a look at the waterfall.
That's 260 steps.
What was that?
260 steps.
There we are. She tells me there's a fig nearly ready there. I don't think I'm going to walk across to have a look.